Hi friends, if you go now to my community section here on my channel, you'll find a lot of success stories from people all over the world who started working online after watching my videos. I hope you'll be the next one to send me your success story to share it worldwide on my channel with more than 700,000 followers. Today we have something really special, something maybe new, and I started working with this strategy like 4 or 5 days ago only. And what's nice about this strategy that you can start totally for free. I will apply everything using free tools only. So you can start with $0, no investment. It's great for students or anyone in any country that want to start working online without a budget. And what's special about this strategy that you can see your first income online in 24 hours if you follow exactly what I will explain in the next couple of minutes. So let's start with step number 1. Open your browser and go to producthunt.com. Then a new tab and go to facebook.com/ads/library. Then appsumo.com and explodingtopics.com. Open these 4 websites. What we are going to do now is to filter out some products. I will share with you how to do this now practically and how I did it 5 days ago. So what is Product Hunt? It's simply a website where you can find a lot of products, thousands of products. You can go here to products, topics, and filter by topic, let's say marketing, and you'll find a lot of SaaS services, applications, products, whatever. All this are services that you can filter out and pick from. I will tell you now what we are going to do with these products, just some patience. The second website is the Facebook ad library. Here you can see what ads are running on Facebook. For example, let's go here to add category, all ads, and search for marketing. Open, and you will see here ads running on Facebook. Started running June 1, June 2, like 1 day ago, and so on. You can find the ad with the link, what those people are promoting, and so on. So also you can find some products and services people are promoting. The third website is appsumo.com. This is one of the best websites that you can use to find new services that have just started right now in this month or in a couple of days ago and so on. So let's say this service here, Ask Jarvis. Let's open this website and you can see it's a service and it costs like $50 per month or $15 per month and so on. So also we can use AppSumo to filter out products and services. The last website is Exploding Topics. This website is really awesome, but the problem, the free version doesn't give you a lot of information. Now in my case, I have a pro version. I will sign in just to show you this awesome application. What's nice about Exploding Topics that you can, let's say, select a category like marketing and you can track some topics. But what we want is to go here to database section and then we'll select, let's say, 1 month ago categories in education, let's say, and the status is explode. And you can see now this application will show you keywords, services, and topics that are exploding right now. Let's pick another category in the crypto niche. Let's say here exploding. Okay, so the last 6 months in the education section, I filtered out exploding topics. So you can see as an example, this service here is called Scriber, as will show you the chart, how it's growing, the searches per month, the keywords. If you open and go to this service, you will find it's something related to education, plagiarism checking, and so on. So also this service is a great to find opportunities and topics that will explode soon, so you can put your hand on to use in the near future. So you'll be the first one to talk about these services, to create content about, or to promote, or whatever. Anyway, I will sign out now. I want to use the free version only. So again, if you're a free user, you'll get these filters, say 6 months, for example, select categories, and you start seeing some information, some services, some topics. Also, you can find something interesting here. So these are the 4 websites that you are going to use to filter out and find some products. After you create a list of products, step number 2 is to filter out this list again and to pick only 1 or 2 products based on the following conditions that I will mention right now. So go again to your browser and open 8supertools.com, the free SEO and digital marketing platform. Go here to SEO SEO keyword research tool and also open Microsoft Ads and create an account. I don't want to waste now time creating a Microsoft Outlook account. It's totally free. Just sign up and log into Microsoft Advertising and go here to Tools and then Keyword Planner. Then go here to Get Performance and Cost Estimates. What you are going to do, let's say we pick a product here called Ask Jarvis. You copy it here and go to the keyword tool and you write it and you add space review and then you search for this product. You will repeat this on the free keyword tool and on Microsoft Ads. You can paste all the keywords here. Let's say another product is this one, Sell Done. You paste here with the word review and you get estimates. Add all the products, 50 products, 60 products, whatever products you got, add them here and click on Get Estimates. In the free keyword tool, you can also do this with the bulk keyword tool. You can just write here, review, add all the keywords and get data. Why I'm using both HSuperTools and Microsoft Advertising Keyword Planner? Because the free keyword tool on HSuperTools will get Google metrics, while here we will get Microsoft Bing search engine metrics. So we'll get both metrics for our keywords. Why? You will see now why. So maybe till now you didn't get the idea. Okay, what we are going to do with these programs, with these services, with these keywords, with these metrics, please explain the idea. The idea is simple. Here we are trying to find a product, and if you can find something new, it will be better. This product will have an affiliate program. An affiliate program means that you can promote the product and you'll make a commission on every sale or every sign up or whatever, depending on the program. So in my case, after I did a lot of research, 5 days ago exactly, I found a product and I sent the company an email. I told them, hi, I'm interested in promoting your program and I believe it's a great product. How can I join? And 3 days ago they replied, hello Hassan, thank you for your interest. Tell us about yourself, whatever. I told them and I was approved in their affiliate program. Of course, some programs or maybe a lot of programs doesn't require approval. In my case, this application, this program needs that. It's okay. So in my case, when I searched for this program on the keyword tool, you see I got these results. 0.19 for CPC, which is somehow very low. The monthly search volume 1.5, not bad. So I knew it's the perfect fit for me. Low CPC and good search volume. So you have to do this. Filter out products from these 4 websites, then find the product with the word review beside it with low CPC and good search volume and join the affiliate program. Okay, these are the first 2 steps. So we filtered out some affiliate programs with low CPC and good search volume. I hope you are getting the idea. Please don't forget, if you have any questions, I will be with you on the forum in the comment section. Just ask anything you want and we can help each other. So step number 3 now is to create this review. How to create this? As I mentioned, we are going to use only free tools. So you can go here to system.io. I mentioned this before, maybe 2-3 months ago. You can start here totally for free. If you go to pricing section, you will see $0 per month. You can create 1 blog totally for free. So I will log in now to my account just to show you how to do this. You go here to the blog section and simply create a blog. You can select a template, whatever you want. Let's preview this one if it's nice. Open this post and you can see this is a post. It looks great. I will select this one, select template, name, anything now, test and create. Now we have a free blog that we can use to create the review on. If you open it now, you will see here we have a blog, a free blog with this website, and you can edit here blog settings or click on the blog here and you can start adding, create a blog post. It's super simple, title, description, add an image, categories, everything. You can create the post. We are going to create a review. Let me show you an example. This is an example from my blog, Educate. It's not a product I'm promoting, it's just an example. It's InVideo review. Here I'm reviewing a product which is called InVideo, and you can see all these green links. It's all affiliate links. So you are going to create a review blog post totally for free on your blog. If you have a website, it will be great. WordPress, Blogger, Google Sites, anything, you can create this review. Also, you can create a YouTube video if you want. Whatever kinds of review you want, you can create. It's up to you. But the easiest is to create a blog post. And if you want to write this fast using AI and for free, you can go here also to HSuperTools AI Content Generator. It's a free AI content generator powered by AI. We can start writing a topic, and let's say, what is SEMrush, let's say, like this. This is the product. I will add 150 words, generate. So this is the first paragraph if you want, a new review. And awesome, you can see we have a paragraph. Also, you can go here to AI, outline generator, and let's say the product is again SEMrush. So SEMrush review, generate, and now this free tool will give you the outline. So all these tools are free. What is SEMrush, whatever, you have these topics. You can write these in the content generator, or simply if you have some budget you want to use, you can go to Jasper. You can also start for free and use this awesome application to create and craft full blog posts about a certain product. So step number 3 is to create a review around this product. Now we are ready to step number 4, which is the most important step. But before that, maybe you are wondering why I hided the product I am promoting. Simply because if I now show the product, the first thing will happen is thousands of people watching this video will promote the same product. So everyone will fail. The second thing is I'm running a case study right now with this product and I want to be successful with it, promoting it. Then I will share with you the product later on. But now let me continue, make my first commission and share the results with you. Then I can reveal this product for everyone here. I will do this. I will post the results in the community section soon here on my channel when I finish this case study. So step number 4 is about promoting the post. So let's say this is the post. We have this link. We want to get traffic to this link. As you mentioned, this video is all about free methods and free tools. But I want to mention some paid methods. I believe some of you have a budget and maybe they want to invest like $20, $50 in paid ads to test and learn how things work. So if you remember, when we go here to the keyword research tool and we search for the product, we got $0.19 CPC. Why I told you it's low CPC? Simply because if you want to run a Google Ads campaign or Microsoft Ads campaign, you will pay only $0.19 in my case per click, which is somehow good for a PPC campaign or pay-per-click campaign. So you can advertise with Microsoft Ads or simply with Google Ads. So this is my Google Ads account. You can create one also. And also what's nice about Google Ads and Microsoft Ads, if you are signing up for the first time, you can get $100 or $200 or $300 credit. So you can test also a paid campaign for free. I will share with you in the description below a link where you can find some coupons. Also, you can advertise with native ads. Now, in my case, I mainly use Autobrain and MGID. Maybe like 1 year ago, I showed you a real case study how I promoted affiliate with MGID and how I promoted with Autobrain native advertising. Also soon, I'm preparing a full case study about promoting affiliate with native ads. So stay tuned and turn on notifications. So these are the common paid ads method to promote this review, this product review, to get some clicks and to get some commissions. Now, if you want to continue with the free methods, also you can do this. Of course, it will take some more time, but you can do this for free and test this totally for free. How? Simply by watching my free traffic mastery course. Go watch it, learn all my tactics, how I get free traffic to my websites, get free traffic to your product review, and make some commissions. If you learned something new today, don't forget to smash the like button. I'll be waiting for your questions in the comments section below. See you later.